Hello, Hathimary. How are you doing today?
Hi, Kunal. I'm good. How are you today?
All well, all well. Thank you very
Yeah,
much for joining the session.
yeah. I'm really happy to be here. And yes, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for your time. I hope this session will help you. That's it.
Certainly, certainly. We are very positive and very excited to start the session. Yeah. So I think it's 3:01 p.m. So we can wait for maybe one more minute, and in the meantime, we can check the logistics. So I hope everybody is able to hear us well. And uh, yeah, please use the reactions window to have thumbs up, thumbs down, and the chat window to communicate. And in case of perfect. And in case of any questions, obviously you can use the chat window. Uh, and when the time permits, I think Hathimary will share that, and you can unmute yourselves at that time and also ask the questions. You can keep it in the chat window just for our references as well. Correct. Yes. So, Hathimary, would you like to go ahead and share your screen? Oh, I think you're on mute.
Yeah, I will share my screen. One.
I think on the right hand top corner we have slideshow option. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. So there is some background noise here. So after a couple of minutes, I will mute myself and we'll continue. Right. So perfect. So let me begin this. So very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this session. Uh, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this special guest session at CareerPhi. Today, we are honored to have with us a true luminary in the tech world, someone who has worked and uh, achieved and has inspired countless professionals and students alike. Please join me in welcoming Hathimary, architect at Kyono and a distinguished NEO Award winner. Hathimary's career is a testament of what passion, dedication, and expertise can achieve. With extensive experience in domains like healthcare, energy, edutech, logistics, finance, and project management, she has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of technology. As a certified expert OutSystems developer, Hathimary has not only excelled in her craft but also dedicated herself to uplifting others in the community. She is the driving force behind the Chennai OutSystems user group, where she has organized and spoken at numerous technical sessions, inspiring many developers and students across South India. Her contributions to the OutSystems community are remarkable. Hathimari is a proud recipient of the OutSystems New Award for the most OutSystems user group active leader in the APAC region, a recognition that speaks volumes about her commitment and influence. As an OutSystems champion, she has shared her knowledge and insights on some of the biggest stages in the industry, including OutSystems Developer Conference in 2021, Next Step in 2022, One Conference in 2023, and she has also been a panelist in the OutSystems Women Talk Show at OutSystems Developer Conference in 2021. Beyond her speaking engagements, Hathimary has actively contributed to the OutSystems ecosystem by sharing over 10 innovative ideas and publishing two Forge components, further cementing her reputation as a thought leader and innovator. We are truly fortunate to have Hathimary with us today. Her journey and achievements are an inspiration to all of us, and we look forward to learning from her experiences and insights. So, without any further ado, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Hathimary. Over to
Yeah.
you, Hathimari.
Yeah. Thanks, Kunal, for the great introduction. I'm really happy to be here. I always love to help for the freshers and the colleagues, and so yeah, as Kunal said, so mostly so for the communities I have delivered so many sections, so that's why system also recognized me as a champion and things like that. So today I'm really happy to be here, and thanks for your time. Definitely this session is going to help you. So today we are going to explore an exciting and rapidly growing field, low code. So this session will definitely help you, and you will be amazed after this session. So how you can even actually low code. So it's like wrapper of the it is already having the pre-built templates and things like that. So you can easily code even if you don't have very like coding platform. For example, you don't know Java, or you don't know C++, the syntax and all. So even then also no need to worry. So in low code, everything is available already. It is like building the things using the visual simulation tool. So it is very easy it's like a flow diagram. So from the diagram itself, you can easily understand the flow and you can develop easily. So not only it's easy for developer, even who is not having the coding knowledge, for them also it is easy. If you clearly know the business requirements, then you can in a minute you can with very less time you can build a very amazing application. So low code, so as you know already, so it is one of the emerging technologies, and OutSystem is a leader in low code technologies. So I am mostly worked on low code technology. There are some other platform like Mendix, Appian, and other low code platform also available. But mostly I worked on low code platform. So sorry, OutSystem platform. So I'm going to today, explain what are the things that are available in our system, how you can learn very quickly, and how you can become a great developer in short time. And before starting that, just a little bit, yeah, Gunal already gave the introduction, but little bit about myself. So I studied electronics and instrumentation. So it's a different domain altogether, but I love coding. So after my education, I wanted to start my career in IT field. Actually, I came from a very remote village where for a woman, to choose a engineering, that is very difficult. So I can easily count who studied after the higher secondary education. So even I faced a lot of problem, but with my parents' support and all, I started. I enrolled to the engineering college, and I got instrumentation, but I love coding very much. So after my graduation, I wanted to start my career in IT field. Then also I face more problem. I keep on. Every day I learned about more technologies. When I started my career, I started as a web application developer. I used WordPress. That is also a content management system, and some I have used .NET and PHP to build some web applications. But so when I started my career in OutSystem, especially the low code technologies, then my career growth is really exponential. So initial first 2 years, I was into web application developer. I worked as a I created website using WordPress. So I have built the application using .NET and PHP. But so when I joined Kyono, that is my company. So I was introduced to OutSystem. That is a really very big change in my career. So after that, I really saw exponential growth, and so it is very easy to learn the low code technology because everything is available, and the community also is very helping, and you are having n number of courses, and you can just enroll, and it's free courses also available, so you can enroll, and you can learn more about the low code technology, and even you can build application in 1 week using low code. Okay, so so these are the strategy I followed. So, to grow in my career. So first one is choose a mentor. So in our system, there are so many people are available. So actually, even CareerPhi is helping you. So they are also like a mentor. They are helping you, and they are arranging this kind of amazing session for you to learn more. So mentor is very important. So who already worked on, maybe it's your friend, or maybe your teacher, or your who already working on the IT industry. So they can show you a path, show the path. And in our system, there are many people are actively participating in the community activities. So you can also reach out to them, and they will also happy to hide you. Not only our system, in even other local technology also, many champions and MVPs are there. They will definitely help you. There they can get you can get the advice from them. So in my career, mentor, Mr. Goldie Luca. So he, because of him only, I got to know what is our system. So it is very emerging technology. Like after that only I saw big growth in my career. So choosing a mentor is very important, and thanks to CareerPhi, so they are helping you. They are guiding the path. Thanks to the CareerPhi, and stay updated. This is very important. So you can choose OutSystem or some other low-code technologies as well, but stay updated, right? So you have to be updated every time. So that is very important, so that you can learn what is going around. So what are the new technologies are coming? Even in low-code, they are integrating the artificial intelligence and things like that. What are the new force components are published? Force components like a plugin. So that thing is very important. So not only in OutSystem, so OutSystem, how you can do that. So I am listed on some of the things, but my suggestion is not only OutSystem. Please be active in LinkedIn, and please follow the community channels of low code, like Mendix community. Some group will be there, or some pages will be there. Actively participate, actively follow those pages, so that you can understand what are the things are going around. And if any, if they are offering any courses to enhance your skills, like that, you can get to know very easily. So I have mentioned in our system what are the things are there, so that you can keep on without struggling. You can in your phone only you can get all the notification, and you can be always up to date. So this is the so for OutSystem, right? So you can create your profile. So this is the URL, outsystem.com/home. So you can create your free account here, and then you can even create the environment, and you can learn more about OutSystem. There are so many courses are available. I will cover all those things. So this is the URL, outsystem.com/login. So you can create an account, and after you created account, so in the profile page, right? So this is the URL. So if you go to this URL, you can see this one. So community activity notification. So I generally, whenever I wake up, so the first message, first mail I'm getting is from OutSystem only. So morning only I will get all the things like what are the components, what are the plugins or published, and is there any new article published by any MVP or champion? What are the new ideas people are suggesting to our system? So all those things I will get in a single mail. So for that, after you created an account, so go to this one in the notification tab, and you have to check this checkbox. So if you check this one in the morning, so you can even set you want to receive the news daily or weekly. So if you say daily, as I said, morning only you will receive all the feeds, so you can come to know the what is going on in the OutSystem communities, things like that. So this is one of the option. And second, as I said before, not only OutSystem, so you can search OutSystem and Mendix. So whatever technologies you are going to choose, low-code technologies, you can search about it. So there are many groups are available in LinkedIn. So you can enroll in that group, and then 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah, so you can enroll in that group, and from that also you can get the post notification, and if any free courses are they are going to conduct, or if any uh, article they are publishing, from that article also you learn. So my suggestion is, so search about the groups and enroll in all the groups. And this is one of the tip. Not only OutSystem, if you are choosing some other local technologies also, so in LinkedIn, please enroll to all the groups so that you will get to know the news immediately. And the developer school. Actually, OutSystem is offering this program. So this program is for already experienced developers. So, for example, maybe you are having experience in .NET or PHP, and you want to learn more about the OutSystem. So for that, they are offering this program. So if you enroll this two programs, so in a week, every day they will conduct a 4-hour session in the weekdays, and you can choose different. There are different time slots are there, so you can choose any time slot. So OutSystem experts will come and train you from the beginning, like how to create application from the beginning. They will help you, and they will teach all the concepts in OutSystem. And after that program, it's a 1 month program. After that, you will get a voucher also for the OutSystem reactive exam. It is actually, I think it is around 20,000, I think. But you will, if you enroll this program, you will get the training from the expert. Plus, you will also get the voucher so that you can clear the exam and you can become a certified OutSystem developer. So for that, so this is the URL. So you can go to this URL. So this program is not happening always. So maybe maybe 2 months once, like that only they are announcing. So even for the upcoming editions, if you want to get notified, so you can go to this URL. There is one place you can just subscribe to that. So in any in future, if they are announcing any new edition, so you will get a notification immediately, and you can start applying. And this is one of the things, so definitely it would be helpful for you. And job board. So low-code technologies, even I think you have also noticed in LinkedIn. So it is like booming like anything. So when I started my career, that time when I started in OutSystem, so that time I saw very less opening. But now all the companies are choosing low code, because using low code, they can build quality application in very less time. They can rapidly build the application. So there are so many advantages if they choose low code. So many companies, very big companies also, they are choosing OutSystem and other low code technologies, not only for easy building. So so it OutSystem or any other low code technology, it is easy to extend. So it's no limit. It's not like you can build application, very small application or simple application only you can build in low-code technology. It is not like that. There are so many integration components, so many tools are available, so there is no boundary. You can build even a complex application in OutSystem. So that's why many companies are choosing OutSystem, and it is not only OutSystem, low-code technologies, and it is very easy to monitor the things, and even DevOps also very easy. So deploying the application for everything, the tools are available. And so that's why companies are choosing low code. So even a complex application, they are building in low code technologies. So because of that, there are so many jobs are available in the market. So if you are choosing OutSystem, you can not only the LinkedIn, you can go to this URL. So you can see what are the jobs. Actually, usually the companies or partners, they will post the job in this OutSystem job board. Okay, so you can go to this board and you can see what are the postings are there, and you can apply to it, and you can also come to know what the industry is expecting. Okay, that also you can come to know, like what kind of certification they are expecting. So you can learn, you can get the certification in no time, because most of the OutSystem course is just 3 days, 4 days, like that only, because it is very easy to learn. All the low-code technology it is same. So many free courses are available. You can learn the OutSystem or any other low-code technologies in no time. Okay, so it will take very less time. No need to understand Java or C++. It's an advantage. I'm not telling it is not all needed. It's an advantage. So if you know basics about the web application, if you know basics about the C, basic about the HTML, CSS, it's advantage. But even without that also, if you know, if you are having clear logical thinking, then you can create a code very easily. And the most of the courses are very, they will, it's not only theory, so they frame that course in such a way that in the end of the course you will have one application ready in your hand. So like that only most of the local technologies courses are designed. So you can enroll to that and you can learn more, and end of the day you will have an application also in your hand. So then it's very easy. You can build any application after that. So there are many jobs are available. So in our system, this is one of the way. And if you even in LinkedIn, you can go to the jobs page and you can see many low-code job postings, and you can apply to that. And okay, so this is very important. Take challenges. Okay, so not only in local technology, in any technology or in any field, not only the IT field, taking the challenges is very important. So even for me, when I heard about low code, I was a little bit hesitant. What if like whether I can build really a complex application, and what about the future? Will I get a job like that? So many confusions were in my mind, but I took it as a challenge. I learned so many courses and I got many certifications. And I challenged myself. I can, I will mostly I will schedule an exam, then I will start studying. Okay, so that I will not miss the deadline. So and definitely I will learn. So like that, don't hesitate. Take a decision and take challenges. So don't think like everything will be easy. Okay, so if you put effort properly, everything will be easy. After that, after you completed the things, you may think, okay, so it's very easy. Why I thought more about it like that? So any challenges, it's very easy. So please, always have that enthusiasm and motivation, and take the challenges, and definitely you will reach any heights. So our system, so we are having forums. So yeah, it's obvious, right? So whenever we learn some software, we will get so many questions. So like how to do this, how to do that. Maybe some most of the items they can't cover in the courses, right? So when you start doing it, maybe you will get so many questions. So in other places we are having Google and all, but in if you come to local, you will have very huge community support. Okay, so in our system also, there is a link, there is a portal called forums, so where you can post a question and immediately you will get a response. So you can also see here within 2 hours you will get a response, and most of the questions are answered. And they will even share the OML also, means the code also, how to build, how to create that. Okay. So if you choose low code, not only OutSystem, even in any other community also, any other low code platform also, the community is there, so they will help you. And definitely you can you no need to face the challenges alone, because the community is there, support, many leaders are there to to support you, so you can easily solve the challenges. So that is one of advantage of low code. And community activities, right? So yeah, anybody can become a developer, but if you want to stand alone, means if you want to you know So if you want to learn more, or if you know if you want to make your resume unique, then my suggestion is participate in more community activities. So in our system there are so many things are there. So for example, idea. So while developing only, you may may think, so what if I have this feature, okay, then it is very easy to build. Maybe this thing, maybe instead of this way, if this option is there, then it will be very helpful, like that you may feel right. So you can free to post your ideas in this portal, outsystem.com/ideas. For that also you will get a recognition. So based on the number of ideas you are posting, you will get the recognition, and they will implement also. So your ideas, if they feel it is helpful to the community, they will take it up, and they will build, and they will integrate in the out system. Okay, so that is also one thing. And as I said before, forums, not only forums for posting the question, you can help others also if you know the answers. So that is also there. So my suggestion is engage in more community activities. So I have mentioned here champions and MVPs. So if you are engaging more in community activities, our system will recognize you as a champion or as an MVP. So that is advantage for your career. And not only that, so there is another one thing is also there. So user group. So every month, actually from Chennai, we are every month we are conducting user group. So we are it's like 1 month of our session. So we will so in our system, it's only for our system. So we will some of the we will choose some topic, and even community people also, they will suggest some topic, and we are conducting a technical session. So not only Chennai user group, there are many user groups are available, not only in India, even in global, and they are also conducting in English. So you can learn more from the user group activity also. Plus you can also learn some, get some prizes by winning the quizzes. Okay, so in all the session, in the end of the session, they will conduct the quiz. So if you clear the quiz, you will get the awards. You will get some prizes from our system also. So if you want to learn more, engage more in community activities, so that you will learn more what are the things are happening, where and all people are facing a problem, what is the solution, everything you will come to. Okay. So yeah, as I said, I already told there are free online training videos and things like that. So actually now just maybe I will show you, and I will log in and show it to you. So it is only whatever I'm showing is out system. Even in other local technology also, there are some free courses and everything is available, so you can get advantage from there. Okay. So after you created a account, so you can click on community, and you can see so many things are available, like documentations. And if you go to the training, there are so many guided paths. It's all free, and you can choose any one of the item, and you can learn. And okay, so not only that, even based on your background also you can choose. For example, so I'm having knowledge on .NET. Okay, so I want to compare and learn. So for that also, different courses are available. So you can see here, becoming a web developer, becoming a mobile developer. So in out system, how you can become a web developer. In out system, how you can become a mobile developer. So it is, you can see here, there are 153 lessons, but it will take only 11 hours to learn. And mobile developer, there are 175 lesson, but only 12 hours to learn. That is the beauty of our system. You can learn very easily. It is very easy. Just you have to drag and drop, and you can build a logic. It's like a flow diagram. So you can just drag if condition, and you can what you want to do in true, and what you want to do in the false branch. You can mention that and finish the logic. It is very easy. It's like a flow diagram. It's like a simulation. You can easily understand also when you are when you are visiting again. So no need to remember the syntax. semicolon and all. So it is very easy. And so that's why you can see here, in no time you can become a developer, and no time you can become an expert. And the tool is also free. You can download it. You will get a platform, means you will get a server space where you can build your application. Okay, and you can publish and you can see how your application is looking. You can play around, so that is also possible. So this is one of the things I'm showing, and I have listed here other guided paths as well. So yeah, as I said, role based guided paths. So if you go to this one, guided paths, as I said, becoming a web developer, becoming a mobile developer, like that, there are so many things are available. So it's for ODC. So you can say OutSystem level. So ODC is one of the new feature OutSystem is introduced. So in OutSystem level, if you choose, everything is available. How to become a tech lead, how to become a traditional web developer. I know DevOps also in OutSystem, how it is, working. What are the asynchronous capabilities in OutSystem, and how to become a tester in OutSystem, and how to become a platform ops expert, and for .NET developer. So I'm a .NET developer. How I can become an OutSystem developer? So they will compare while explaining each concept and things like that. There are so many things that are available. How to become an architecture specialist, how to become a business analyst, how to become a front-end developer. So everything is everything are available. So you can just enroll and you can learn about it. So I have listed everything here. So if you go to, so just you have to create an account, and if you have to click community under the training. This is the first option, guided paths. So you can just enroll. It's free. You can it is you can learn, and there are some videos and PPTs. Everything is available, and even they will give some lesson materials where they will explain some problem and how to solve it. You can also do the practice, and then you can compare. Okay, so whatever you build, it's like whatever they explain, it's same or not, like that. So everything is available. So you can take help from this, not only in OutSystem, in other platform also, everything is available. And the clear videos and lesson, lesson materials, many things are available. Okay, so you can just enroll, and you can become a reactive web developer in 12 hours, right? So there are so many things are available. So you can enroll and start learning, and use case based guided path. So for example, okay, these are not, maybe reactive, what are the things are there, how for tester, what are the methodologies are there. But what if I want to become a, I want to create one application. So from that you can learn more. So whenever, instead of theory, whenever you start building an application, then you will learn more about it, correct? So for that also there are some guided paths are available. So they are having 4 things. So patient self-service portal, how to create a order management application like Amazon, right? So how to list the products, how to maintain the orders, how to maintain the customer database. So everything is available in that application. And employee directory application. So how and all, you know uh, who and all joining the company, and their details, banking details, etc. So how to maintain that. So for that also they are having some application. So they will tell you how to build that application from the scratch using OutSystem. So for example, you want to build an order management application. So what are the tables are necessary? What are the columns you have to build? Not only OutSystem, you can also learn how to do a data modeling, how to create, how to keep a relationship between the tables, how to query it, what are the best practices when you do the data modeling. And coming to the UI also, how you can build a very standard UI, right? Like so that, like that, you can learn more things when you enroll this guided path, and when you start building application. So my suggestion is, so first you can learn about how to becoming a reactive web developer, or how to become a web developer. Then you can take any one of this guided path, and you can start creating an application. So you will understand what is the basics also you will understand. Then you can, you can do some, like exercise, like you can do, some, you can try something, right? So that is my suggestion. So first you can learn, you can take this guided path, any one of the items whichever based on your interest, and then you can take any one of the guided path and you can learn more about it. Okay, so this one also, if you see here, 4 hours to build a order management application. It is very easy to build any application in using low code. And there are so many integration tools also available, like how to connect with Google Drive, okay, how to connect with OneDrive, okay. And there are so many integration plugins also available in any low code technologies. You can learn more about that as well, like payment gateway, everything is available. And tech talks. So every year, OutSystem is conducting conferences. Even yesterday in Bangalore, OutSystem Developer School, that event happened. Okay, so from in that session also, they are, in that event also, many experts are coming and they are delivering a session. And maybe any use case, maybe they done some POC, they want to share it with the community. So everything they are presenting in the conference. So that sometimes we can't go and attend those conferences, but you can go to this URLs and you can watch those sessions. Okay, so that is also available. So you can so from, if you attend this tech talks, you can come to know what are the things, new things OutSystem is throwing nowadays, what are the technologies are newly introduced. Okay, so what are the new plugins are available, how to integrate, payment gateway, those kind of things, those things you can learn. Okay, and yeah, as I said before, user group sessions. So every month they are conducting, so every month at least globally 5 6 user group sessions are happening. Everything is a very challenging sessions they are conducting for free. So 1.5 hours. Yeah, even you can ask the question to the speaker and you can learn more from them also. So this is the URL. So if you go to this, okay, so you can see what are the user groups sessions is going to happen in the future. Not only in the future, what are the sessions happened in the earlier, that thing also you can go and watch the videos, everything, the presentation, everything. Usually, we usually upload in this portal, so you can go and watch the videos, and you can enroll to the upcoming sessions also. See here, so in September month, 2 sessions, OutSystem masterclass, application security, and many things are happening. And even in October month, there are so many sessions are happening worldwide. So you can even you can filter out the beginner. For beginner, what are the sessions are available, or if I'm an intermediate developer, what are the sessions are available. And even my suggestion is, sometimes they will not add the tags properly. You can enroll to any session and you can learn more about it, because as I said before, low-code technology is very easy to learn. No need to learn the classes, objects, the syntaxes and all. It is very easy. If you know the basic concept, then it's very easy. So my suggestion is, you can enroll to any session, and it is a good chance to interact with other community members also. It is good for networking also. So you can enroll to this user group session and you can join. And best practices. Okay, so in any platform, best practices are important. So once you started learning, right? So maybe, like, we can solve the problem in n number of ways, right? But what is the best practice and what is the best solution, that is important. So that is also in all the low-code technology they are mentioning, what are the best practices you have to follow. So that will also help you to become a expert web developer. So what are the things we have to avoid when we write a query, when we create index, when we create relationship, and when we want to save any images in the table. What are the, it is not only useful for one platform. So if you learn this best practices, it is even useful in other platform also. For example, like data modeling, what are the best practices available? When you are creating UI, what are the best practices are available? For example, you should not put inline CSS. Always create CSS class and keep it in a global theme, and from that you refer, so that reusability is more and maintainability is also good. So those kind of things they are explaining. So architecture, what are the best practices? So everything is there, so you can learn from this. Okay. And Forge components code. So Forge is, it's a ready-madely, like it's already built by some experts. So not only the experts, even OutSystem is offering some pre-built components for free. So you can, download it and you can just do the integration. For example, Google Maps web. No need to, worry about it. You have to just install it and you can easily integrate with Google Maps. And for multiple file upload, no need to, create a coding line by line, right? So you have to just, this, you have to just to download this plugin, you have to call it, and you have to add the save logic. That's it. The job is over. So there are so many components are available. So my suggestion is, I always, in my career, I love to do this. So whenever, I get time, I will download any famous Forge components, and I love to see their code. I will open the code and I love to learn from the code. So how they are, creating function, reusable function, how they are creating the entities and things like that. I love to learn from the plugins, pre-built plugins, and how they are connecting with the API, because most of the API it will use OAuth and all. So we have to understand, yeah, low code is for the fast building and all, but I love to do that. So I, whenever I get time, I love to learn those things also, so that whenever I build some solution, I can incorporate those best practices. And you will also know, in no time you can tell, give the suggestion to the business or in your company. If any requirement is coming, if you know the components already, if you know the plugins already, you can easily tell. So this plugin we can use. This plugin is having this advantages. This plugin is having, these it is disadvantage. So better to choose this component. So those things and all you can tell easily. So once you become a local developer, so my suggestion is, you can, there are so many ready-made solutions are available. You can take help from that and you can build the application very fast. Not only that, you can even see their code and understand more about it also. Okay. And yeah, so this is, so there are many tags are available, trusted, and so for mobile some applications are there. And as I said, as I showed before, so the ready-made applications also available. For example, floor plan, sales. So if you want to create some application for floor plan, okay, so what are the components to use and all, maybe you have to, instead of exploring, there are so many pre-builder softwares are available in the low code solution, solution place. You can just go to that and you can search about it, and you can go see their code and you can come to know what are the pre-built solutions are available, even how you can design a tables. So those things you can understand very easily. So that is one thing. And so yeah, so these are the things. Okay, so apart from the slide, okay, so so you can, so low code means, like, compared to other technologies, you can learn very easily. It will take maybe 1 month. You can cover most of the items, and even you can become a certified developer. Not only in our system, in other local technology also, there are so many courses and things like that are available. And also jobs, right? That is very important for us. So jobs also, it's very easy. People are, there are so many job opportunities available. Mostly they are hiring for low code, and Mentix and OutSystem, they are leaders. So you can learn about OutSystem or Mentix. There are so many opportunities, and if you get the certificate, you can, even in 1 month, as I said, right, in 1 month you can you can learn about the local technology and you can get the certification. It is an added advantage for you whenever you go for an interview. And that is one thing. And so you can confidently take local technologies. Maybe some people have little bit hesitation. My field is different. I am having a background, maybe I'm having teaching background. I have not worked on the coding. So if I start the career in local technologies, whether I can learn and all, that kind of confusion you may have. But I'm telling from my experience, I'm telling in no time I learned OutSystem. As I said before, my background is totally different. I came from electronics and instrumentation field, but I learned very easily. And not only even the advanced technology, advanced things also I learned, for like architecture things. What, like while integrating, what are the best practices we have to follow, everything I learned in no time. So you can and also I out because low code is emerging technologies, I got so many opportunities. And so you will also get the same. And also, as I said before, there are so many courses are available, so many components, pre-built components are available. You can take advantage of that. And in LinkedIn and in other social platform also, loco technologies is very trending. So from that also you can learn more. And as I said, that is one tip. So always uh, you know uh, always engage in community activities, interact with more people so that you can learn more and take help from all. And thanks to CareerPhi for conducting this amazing session for the people. It is really changed their life. Really, you are helping them. So thanks for this, and thanks for giving the opportunity to share my experience. And even I can share my LinkedIn profile. So if you have any questions, yeah, after this session also I will address your questions. And even if if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me anytime. I'm happy to help. So I will share my LinkedIn URL also. So thanks for your time and have a great future. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Hathimary, for this wonderful, insightful session. And definitely, this would help our audience to, number one, understand the ins and outs of how to build their career on our systems as a technology, but also the other low code, no code domains. As you rightly said, they have similarities in some or the other way. So yeah, definitely, this was very insightful. Team, I think this is a good time to take a pause and please ask your questions to the and share with Hathimary so that she can address them. Yes. So yeah, I think Nikhil has one. So Nikhil is asking in the chat window that can you suggest some important modules or components that will cover as a developer that I mean we can cover as a developer.
Yeah. Okay. So you can enroll to reactive guided path. So that is my suggestion. So first you can enroll to that guided path and you can learn about it. And so best practices, that URL told you, right? So that thing also you can learn. So from that you can understand what are the mistakes can happen while developing. So you can avoid that. So these two things are important. And coming to the components, so I told you, right? So like trusted components. So those are certified by, like, many people are using in their project. So you can use those components first. If you are not, mostly the solution will be there under the trusted components. If you are not getting a solution, then you can explore other components also. I'm not telling other components are not useful, but there are trusted components are available. So if you are going to start like you are going to learn now only, right? So my suggestion is first to choose reactive web developer. After that you learn best practices, then you can become a complete developer. So you know the best practices as well as the reactive web application. Mostly the industry is using reactive web application. Then the next step is, once you learn reactive web application, once you build one application, maybe order management application, okay, that one you build and you learn about the best practices also, then my suggestion is you can enroll to the mobile developer guided path. This is little bit challenging, but it is so interesting. So for that, my suggestion is do more practices, and they are also giving some example application. They're also telling some example application, so you can then you learn mobile developer. So first, my suggestion is reactive web application, then one example application, that is order management, then learn about best practices. So that is my suggestion to you, Nikhil.
So, Hathimary, if you can cover the importance of learning a proprietary technology like low code, no code, as against traditional ways of doing things in Java, .NET, PHP, that would mean a lot to the team, because most of the team members are coming from, let's say, the traditional technology backgrounds where they have learned something in the college, or maybe done something from traditional classes, or maybe try to do something by themselves, but again in older technology. So can you quickly differentiate the career path they will get, the growth they will get as a niche technology as against uh,
Yeah,
a traditional one?
sure. So, if you traditional, right? So it is like learning time is more. So there are so many concepts are available, and even for a small solution, you have to you have to put more code, and you will face so many problems. But here in low code and no code, it is already built. There are some pre-built components. You have to just drag and drop and use it, and it is very easy to write query also. So if you go to the traditional, you have to say select from this table name and all, and you will do some syntax mistakes, and then you have to search. You have to fix the syntax and all. But here it's very easy. It's like visual presentation. You can just you can drag and drop two entities. Maybe I want to join two entities. You can just drag and drop. You can just mention the joining, like left join or inner join, what you want to do. Everything you can do it. And max records, just you have to enter max record. That's it. No need to say the syntax and all. Even after starting the local technology, even I also forgot those syntax because it's very easy. So you can focus more on the advanced technologies. Like, so the basics things are very easy now, right? Because everything's are available, the simulations are available. So you can learn more about the advanced things, like architecture level, like how to build a good application, how to what are the best practices, how to like for a application, how to design architecture. Those things also you can learn very easily. So you can focus on other items, like how to integrate the things, and integration also very easy. No need to consume the API and the token. You will face so many problems. Not like that. Everything is available. So you can focus on the solution instead of building a solution. It's already there. There are some solutions are there. You have to just use it. And what are the advantages you can add over that? So you can focus on that. So in less time, you can become an expert developer. So if you choose traditional web application, so you have to first you have to learn the fundamentals, right? Fundamentals here also important, but the thing is, even the syntax and all and everything you have to learn. For small solution also, you have to invest so much time. But if you choose low code, everything is available. So you can learn other things, not only the like you don't need to spend more on the fundamental side. That is one advantage. The next advantage is in HTML, CSS, like SQL or PHP, there are so many things are available. So which one to choose? That is very confusing. Which tutorial to choose? That is also confusing. But here, the low code providers, they are providing some. The experts, they build some. They design some guided path or course. So you can go to their official website and you can learn. And they are providing some lesson materials also. They are telling some problem and they are telling some solution also, how to build the solution. So here, no need to search and all. Like, you will get distracted. Like, if you get so many materials or things like that, you will get distracted, like which one to choose, something like that. But here it is very clear. You can learn very easily. And community also, right? So community also, those and all, like PHP or .NET, it's like an open platform. Yeah, community, there are also communities there, but compared to that, in low code, the community activities, it's more, and they're recognizing more also. So more experts are involving in community activities, so you will get more support. So that is the advantage. So if you choose low code over traditional, then in less time you can become an expert developer, and you can even reach architect level, right? So but if you choose other traditional technologies, you have to learn so many things, and for you also, there are so many things to learn, and maybe sometime the solution, but writing it's a problem. So sometimes, for me it happened, like when in my initial career, I know the solution, like what are the condition I need to put, I know, but most of the time it went on the syntax error or something like that. But here it's very easy. It just is like a simulation. You have to drag and drop and you can do it. And debugging also very easy, troubleshooting, debugging, and you are even the deploying the application is very easy. No, you will not face any server issues. It is just a click click click. You can, so you can focus on the important items instead of other things. So that is the one advantage. So you can become an expert in very less time. Also, currently very less low code developers are there compared to traditional web developer. So whenever some employer seeing your resume, if you know the low code technology, it's an added advantage for you. Okay, so that is also one advantage if you choose low code technologies. How would you ensure data isolation and performance optimization in a multi third-party APIs, particularly when dealing with complex data structures? Okay, so coming to performance optimization, yeah, as I said before, there are best practices for performance optimization also, and multi third parties APIs. So you are, as I think you are telling, you have consumed so many APIs, right? Maybe for example, I will give one example. So you are building a finance application. You want to know the market rate. So you have consumed so many APIs. So each based on each provider, the output will vary, right? But you want to build application. You want to normalize the output, and also how to optimize the performance, things like that. I think that's what you are asking. So in OutSystem or in any other local technology, it's very easy. So in the monitoring tool, you can easily understand what are the APIs are giving it, and even you can download the HTTP trace. Okay, so those things are available. So no need to put console log, things like that. Nothing is needed. And even like coming to the complex data structure, right? So you want to normalize, yeah, maybe they are having complex data structure, but for my requirement I want to just to keep some 6 7 attribute in that structure, only 7 data points I'm particularly about. So in other traditional application you will use on after response and you have to code more things, but here that is also simulation. So you can just set in your API, you can say I want to trigger on after response. That's it. Then the flow will come, and you can even add your logic. Even you can alter the API output. You can handle the exception in different way. Like I want to send a mail. So exception, you can have to put just a exception and just to call that logic for triggering an email. It's very easy. So that is the advantage, and very easy to monitor all the API performance. Even you can build some background like backend office for APIs, and for disabling enabling API also in runtime it is possible. In runtime you can change the base URL. You can runtime, you can disable those kind of things also. You can easily build if you are. That's what you can do so many other things apart from like adding the API and all. So that is very easy here, and already the monitoring tool, everything is available, and you can take use of that. And okay, the next question is, what opportunities for career and growth you force for an OutSystem developer, and where can we expect to see ourselves in a couple of years with OutSystem? Okay, so yeah, as I said before, there are so many opportunities are available, and many big IT organizations are using OutSystems. Okay, so if you are learning out system and you gain so many certificates and you are having some hands-on experience in out system, okay, you build some application using out system in a couple of years, yeah, that is more than enough. So you can you can join very big MNC also, because if you see the customer, right, like low code technologies, very big organizations only they are using low code technology because of the advantage, like rapid application development and DevOps is very easy. So mostly very big MNCs only they are choosing low code applications. So if you learn low code technologies in couple of years, definitely you can join a MNC and your career will keep on exponentially, you can see the growth. And coming to the next question, how do you see local technologies evolving in the next 5 to 10 years? So actually, artificial intelligence also coming very fast. So low-code technologies, all the low-code platform, they are already having some AI in their platform. Okay, so whenever you code, if you click that that artificial intelligence thing, it will automatically ask you want to put the if condition, or you want to assign the output parameter, something like that. In all the local technologies there, especially in our system, it is there. So they are integrating with AI also. So already low code is very very fast. You can develop the application very fast. So now they are integrating with AI also. So in next, I feel but artificial no, like low code plus AI, it's a very it's a very great combination. So definitely I feel in future low code no code plus AI, that is going to rule the industry. Already it's ruling the industry. Many big companies are, they are choosing low code over traditional technologies because of maintenance and things like that. Okay, but so they are comparing AI plus low code. So definitely in future I feel mostly all the companies they will use low code technologies. That's what I'm thinking, because I can see more companies that already started. Okay, can you please share your feedback on Service Now? Yeah. So Service Now also, it's a very good platform. So that is also having so many openings. And yeah, as I said before, like all the local technology is good. Service Now also it's good. And even many big companies they were using Service Now actually. So that is also good platform. But I have not worked more on ServiceNow platform, so maybe I can't tell more about it. But that like that technology also in many companies I saw they are using service. Yeah.
Right. Perfect. So what? Let me pause here, Hathimary. I think it's 4:06 p.m. So I think you have to. I mean, you can let us know how much time you have. Based on that, we
Yeah,
can
I don't have any problem. Even if I'm really help others, so I love to help others. So if you have more questions, you can tell. And as I said before, I will share my LinkedIn profile, so you can
Yeah.
reach out to me also. And really, thanks for also you are doing. It is really helping the people. So thanks for this one, and I am really happy to deliver more sessions here. Even like if I am getting time, I will definitely I wanted to do. So yes.
Certainly. So definitely, so Hathimary, I mean, in one sentence, if I have to describe what we do at CareerPhi, so we are. I mean, we are on a purpose to eradicate unemployment. It's a very ambitious purpose, definitely too many things to do, but what we say is it's one consultant at a time. So in 15 days, we have almost 200 odd interns who have signed up for various levels of courses. Here you see around 54, 55, 56 people. The reason is there is a large batch which will start on 3rd of September. And so every week we are onboarding 50 to 100 folks, and hopefully we will have some interesting numbers by December. So that's the whole idea. And thanks to, I would say, you, we have understood in terms of how low code, no code would be really helpful, right? So thank you very much for such an inspiring and insightful session. Also, your journey and achievements are truly remarkable, and it has been a privilege for us at CareerPhi to learn from your vast experience. The knowledge and insights you have shared today will undoubtedly inspire and guide us in our professional journeys. And we are especially thank you for your time. I still remember, I mean, we went back and forth in terms of how to schedule this, especially there were other things. You have personal commitments and you have taken this time out. We are really thankful for that. Uh, and your story is a very powerful reminder, of the impact one can have when driven by purpose and commitment to excellence. So thank you once again, Hathimary, for being a part of CareerPhi today, and we look forward to seeing all the amazing things you do or will continue to do in the future. Yeah. So thank you very much once again,
Thanks,
and
Rohan.
yeah, thank you everyone also for attending this. Really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Yeah. See
Thank
you
you.
again. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.